May God bless us in His mercy. May the nations be glad and exalt, because you rule the peoples in equity. The nations on the earth you guide. May God bless us in His mercy. May the peoples praise you, O God. May all the peoples praise you. May God bless us, and may all the ends of the earth